So hello friends, welcome to Intro YouTube channel and learning session of learning Python with the Intro. In this video, we will see what are the different kinds of operator used in Python. So there are different kinds of operator like arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, utility, membership from the arithmetic, plus, minus, multiplication, division. So here is my division, modulus, exponent, and floor division. Floor division. These are the different kinds of arithmetic operators used in Python. We are aware of mod, divide, multiplication, subtraction, and addition. We will not see about them because we already know how it works. So we will see this floor division and exponent operator. So I will create here one variable called as var1 is equal to I am value as 10, and var2 I'm giving as 2. So first of all we will see what is exponent operator. So it is used to find the power. So var1 power, we can say exponent to var2. So here it gives output of var1 power 2. So now we will see another example. var1 I will give as 35.55 and var2 I will give as 5. So what will be its result if we will divide them? Simple division. So here is our result, that is 7.10999. Now we will see what is in floor division. So floor division will not give any value after the decimal point. Here is our output, that is 7.0. Now we will go to our next type of operator, that is assignment operator. Assignment operator, by name only we can understand it is used to assign the value. So I am assigning one value var1, assigning value as 10. So I am creating here var2. Suppose now I want to assign this 10 to var2. So I can assign like var2 is equal to var1. Here is my output var2. Here it gives 10 because we have assigned the value of var1 to the var2 variable. Now we will see some different kinds of symbol using assignment, addition, subtraction, multiplication. Similar in the case of the division. We will see one by one each. So I have one value now. A is equal to I am having as 10. I'm using symbol A plus is equal to 3. So this is very similar to A is equal to A plus 3. So A is equal to A plus 3 and A plus is equal to 3 is come and check the output for A. So here is my output, that is 13, because as I said that it is nothing but A is equal to A plus A was already 10 and we have additionally added 3 here, so it is giving output as a 13. Similar in the case of the subtraction, multiplication, division and mod. So now we will see our next operator, that is comparison operator. By name only we can understand it is nothing but it is used to compare whether two values are equal, not equal, greater than, less than. So we'll see. So var1 I am taking as 10, var2 I am taking as, var3 I am taking as 30. Suppose I want to check whether my var1 is equal to var2. So here it is giving as a false because var1 and var2 are not equal. I am create here var4 is equal to, I will give as 10. Now I want to check whether var1 is equal to var. So here it is giving true because var1 and var4 both are having the similar values, that is 10. Now we will see does not equal to operator. var1 we use does not equal to symbol, does not equal to var2. Here it checks whether var1 is not equal to var2. If it is so, var1 is not equal to var2 in this condition, so it will return value as true. So now here is our value true. Both, if this condition gets true, that is var1 is not equal to var2, it will return as a true. Now we will go to our next operator, that is greater than. So I want to check whether var1 is greater than var2. So it is returning false because var1 is not greater than var2. Now I will check var2 whether greater than var1. In this case, it will return true because here obviously var2 is greater than var1. So similarly, we can use like does greater than equal to, we'll check like where 1 is greater than equal to where 4. This is greater than, it will check whether it is greater than, so where 1 is not greater than where 4, but it is equal to where 4. So this condition gets true, and here is our output, that is true. Similarly, in the case of less than equal to. Now we will go to our next operator, that is logical operator. In logical we have and, or, not. And second is or, and third one is not. So we'll see what they mean each one by one. So where 1, I'm again creating here 10, where 2, creating this time 30, where 3, 40, where 4 I'm giving us again 30. So and we use and in general life to join two or more statements. So we know what we mean by and. If you want to add additional statement to a particular statement, we use and in our general daily life. Similarly, in the case of programming, so in this case, first we will check whether where 1 is less than where 2, and next condition, we here we use we give the two conditions, and we will check whether, so where 1, and here instead of where 2 I have used where, so here also we have to use where. So where 1 is less than where, and where 3 is greater than where 4. So here it is giving true, because where 1 is less than where 3 is greater than where 4. So if both the conditions are true, then it will give result as a true. So if any one condition is false, it will give result as a false. Now let's check for where 1 greater than, I will give here one false condition, and where 3 is greater than where 4. Here it is giving false result because where 1 is not greater than where. So now we will check what is an or. So or we use if you want to give a true value if any one condition is true. Like I will take the same example where 1 is greater than where, or where 3 greater than where 4. So it gives a true value because this condition is false but this condition is true. Or gives true value if any one condition is true, it will give as a true value. So now we'll go to our next operator, that is identity operator. So here I will create a simple list in x is equal to 1 and y I will take as a 2. So first identity operator we can use is. So we want to check whether y is present in x. So y is present. So y in is not. Sorry. Here y is x. So what we are checking? So I will take new example. So I will here x is equal to 10 and y is equal to I will make as 10. Z is equal to I will make as 20. So x is y. So it gives true value. It checks whether x is equal to y. It will give true. So now let's check for y is z. So it will give false value because y is not equal to z. So now we'll see what is not. So it will give the true value if it is not equal. X is not equal to y. Use an false value because here x is equal to y and we are giving condition as x is not equal to y. Now let's check for the next example. Y is not z. Here it gives an true value because y is not z, because y is not equal to z and it is a true condition. Now we will see and our next operation, that is membership operators. So here I will create my list. By mistakenly I have created in upside example, so I am creating here new, and y I will create as. So I want to check whether my y is present in my x list. So I can check y in, we use here y in x. So it is giving a true. What in the condition? If I will give will create a new list. X is equal to, I will create 1, 2, 3, and Y I will create as 10. So what in the case if I want to check whether my Y is present, X, sorry, here I will do it Y is present in my list or not. So Y is not X. So what this condition means, Y is not present in the X, this condition means. And yes, it is true because Y is 10 is not present anywhere in this symbol. So now we will go to our next. No, here we ends our session. So we have covered our all syllabus.